Okay, our next topic or next part of Unit 1 is data pre-processing, and this is very important part of your Unit number 1, where we will see why we need to pre-process the data and what are different ways utilizing which we can pre-process the data. One by one, we'll see the things and we'll try to understand what is the need of this pre-processing. This is your syllabus for Unit 1, and I'm over here with data pre-processing, need for pre-processing the data, data cleaning, data integration, and data transformation, and finally data reduction. These things we're going to cover with data pre-processing. So let us start. Okay. These are some questions from your previous portion of Unit 1, like describe the steps involved in data mining when viewed as a process of knowledge discovery. This is just to recall certain points from Unit 1 portion first. Okay, so just go through them, pause the video and note them down because they are also very important questions, and one by one they will cover up all the topics of Unit 1 portion. Okay. For any notes, please comment. Now the topic is why to pre-process the data. Data pre-processing, why we need pre-processing. That is the point over here. Let us understand with an example. Suppose you are having this electronic shop data available with you. You are carefully inspecting the database or data warehouse, identifying and selecting the attributes or dimensions to be included in analysis. And those dimensions can be your item, price, unit sold out, that can be the one. Now you have seen that various tuples, various rows have no record value. Something is missing. For your analysis, you would like to include information whether each item purchased was advertised on sale, yet you discover this information has not been recorded. Furthermore, you are checking out that users of your database system have reported some errors, unusual values, inconsistencies are there in data. In other words, we can say that data you are analyzing is incomplete, it is noisy, and it is inconsistent. Incomplete means it is lacking some of the values, certain attributes of interest that you are interested to work upon. Basically, there are some missing data, incomplete data. Then it is noisy. That means it is containing some errors, some outliers are there which are not matching up with the general behavior of the data. So noisy data, and you are seeing that the data you are analyzing is inconsistent. That means there are some redundancies, discrepancies in data. So this kind of data, if it is available, that means you have to perform some pre-processing, okay, to tackle these problems. Like to tackle incomplete data, to tackle missing values, there are certain ways. To tackle noisy data, there are certain methods, like binning method is there, clustering method is there, regression method is there. To handle inconsistent data, there are other ways, like to handle redundancies, normalization is there. Okay, so in this way, we have to see one by one what are the things. For data pre-processing, these are the certain steps that we have to perform one by one. Like first step is your data cleaning. Basically, routine works to clean the data by filling up the missing values, to smooth the noise, and to identify and remove outliers, and resolving inconsistencies will be a part of your data cleaning. And after performing these things, you'll have a clean look data which is ready for your integration and transformation reduction, your pre-processing. Then comes your data integration. Data integration is basically, there are different types of data, heterogeneous kind of data. Like here you can see this is data in one repository in one form stored in database. This is one another type of data in the form of data cube. These are the flat files. So these different types of heterogeneous data, you have to integrate, you have to combine at one place, and this data can be from multiple sources also. Okay, so at one place, which is called as a one unified schema or a single site, which is called as your data warehouse also. Next comes your data transformation. How to understand data transformation? Suppose your data that is available to you, one attribute, the numeric attribute is available in this one. Okay, and another attribute which is available is in range of some lakhs or crores. Okay, so the thing is like the both the attributes are not uniform, they are in wide difference of range. So what you can do, you can transform the data into some uniform scale, and that one scale can be in a range of -1 to 1 or 0 to 1. That will be called as your data transformation. Last one is we will be performing data reduction. What is the meaning of data reduction? Data reduction, you are taking out some small portion of your data, or you are reducing the size of your data, but with one condition, that you are maintaining the data integrity. That means without loss of the important information of your data. So as you can see in this example, the data of 2000 by 126 is being converted into 1456 to 114. But important information is still there. So that will be the reduction in the size of data reduction. But results will be similar. Okay. So these kind of steps will be performed in your data reprocessing. One by one, we have to see how we have to tackle your missing data, how we have to tackle your noisy data, how you have to perform transformation, how you have to handle your inconsistent data. Those things will come one by one. So for this video, that's it. From next video, we will start about one by one all the steps: data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, data reduction. So thank you. Keep showering your love on the channel, and please subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and share the knowledge. Thank you. Thank you so much.